Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on DXY guys. So what are we expecting on DXY? Before I do today's analysis, I'm going to do a quick recap on DXY. So if you watched my previous analysis on DXY, I was predicting a push to the downside, but I have different scenarios, right? And my first scenario was there's a possibility, I think we were around this area right here, and I said there's a possibility for the XY to actually shoot to the upside to probably 102.992 to shoot to that level right here to give us a possible third touch of the trend line. Then we might start tanking to the downside based on that level right there. And another instant was that in case if we get to this right here and we still see momentum of buy, then there's a possibility it might come to 103.069 to fill in the imbalance. As we can see that there is an imbalance right here, candle right here, right? So that was my initial thought that we might actually push up around that area right here. And another reason why I saw it because we can see this candlestick, right? It is losing momentum already. So I said there's a possibility for us to actually push up a little bit to gain momentum. Then we might start pushing to the downside based on that. But as you can see that we didn't get exactly where we thought it would get to. We had a gap right around here, right here. It went up a little bit right before actually pushing to the downside. And we can see that we hit my first TP right here. And we also hit my second TP right here, which is my overall TP that I was talking about. If you watch my previous analysis, which is my negative 61.8 fib level 102.450. So that was our initial thought on the XY, and I entered around this area right here. That was where I took my entry, because if we put a line right here, we can see we had the broke, came to retest, and it started pointing to the downside. So let's see from here right here to here. That was a good one, right? So we have about 357. So let's analyze the XY guys based on the current price market. Let me delete this previous one and see what we are looking at on the XY overall. So just like I like to do top down analysis, I'm going to go to a bigger time frame to a smaller time frame because it just simplifies the market. So we can see right here, this is the weekly time frame guys, and we can see that we are having a a bear momentum. We can see this candlestick right here. It's giving us momentum that we might continue to push to the downside on to continue to push to the downside. So this would be like a target, a weekly target we can look forward to right here. Let's see here because there's this imbalance right here. So okay, I think I can just clone this previous one. So we can see that we have an imbalance right here. We can see from here to here, from here to here, an imbalance that needs to be filled. So that's an area that we should be looking forward to actually continue to push to the downside as of right now. So that is what I am looking forward to guys. So let's go to more smaller time frame. This is my daily time frame right here. Let's delete this one. So we can see that we still continue to have this momentum of sell, especially this candlestick right here, right? But we can see that the candlestick ended around this area with this doji candlestick by hitting my 61.8% fib level, like I explained. And most of the time 61.8% fib level, according to my strategy, a reversal area slash zone. So there's a possibility for us to actually tank up a little bit before pushing to the downside if it continues to push to the downside. So right here we can see that we are not seeing any momentum yet, but for us to actually continue to buy of some sort, So we can see that I want some sort of like a reversal pattern, which is like a W pattern, for us to know we're going to continue to buy. But let's go to much smaller time frame and see if so. Apart from this candlestick right here, I'm not seeing anything right now. Let's go to much smaller time frame to see. So right now we are kind of like in a crucial stage right now, because there's a possibility that we might still push right here to this trend line right here to give us a possible third touch of the trend line, right? Then come here, give us some sort of like the W pattern before pushing to the upside, right? That is what I am seeing right now. But like I said, anything can happen, or we might just come here, give us a touch, then continue to tank to the downside. So I'm gonna put just for us to know. Let's see. So like I said, I think it all depends on how the markets will play out right now, because it can go both ways. So first instance is, like I said, I think something like this. Then if you see, depending on how the markets react around this trend line right here, if you see multiple rejections around this trend line and I see like a bear candlestick, then I'll probably think is a sell. Then we might ride it at least to this level right here. Like I said, it might just ride here to give us the W pattern, then it might continue to push to the upside or just fall to the downside. And there's also a possibility that we might start tanking to the upside around this area right here. So but for us to actually buy around this area, I will want some sort of like a breakout structure, a retest, then to push to the upside. That's something I'm looking forward to. So right now, let's see, we have an instant from here, bounces here, right? Then continue to bounce to the downside. That's the first possibility that I'm looking forward to, like I said. And that will be here, which is 358. And the other instance is we might continue to just come here, like I said, come here, right? Then push to the upside here. This would be TP1 right here, and there's a possibility we might get to at least this imbalance right here. Let's change the, which is this imbalance we have here, right? So that's a good place for us to see as well, that we might get to that level right here. And if we continue to see momentum of buy, then certainly we will at least ride it up to my trend line right here to give us a possible touch of the trend line. But that will determine on the momentum we have, right? Because right now, based on the current price market I have, current price action, sorry, I have right now, it's not really solidifying anything right now. So we have to be patient to see how the market reacts. Then that's how you go with the flow based on the price action we have. So like I said, this will be my first TP right here if you're buying, and this will be my second TP right here in case if we push, we might push to the that side depending on how the momentum of the market. So I don't want to predict too much to the future, because it's not certain right now how it will go. Like I said, it might go both ways. You just have to be patient. We see if it tanks to the upside. Let's see if it breaks structure right here, this previous structure. Then if we break here with a momentum of buy, then we break structure, we see some pattern that shows that it's going to continue, then we take the trade around that area to these levels right here. But if not, if you see weak rejections and then we continue to see bear momentum, then we'll probably take it to this side right here to be safe. So I just think on the XY we have to be patient, because it's not giving anything right now for us to know our next move. But this is just my thoughts on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.